Alright fellas, if you're wondering what the gauge clusters are in the Generals and the Bisons, this is out of 86. I believe they're all the same. It's not like your newer trucks, and I don't mean the new ones like the 90s where your gauges clamp in from the back and they're all wired up individual. You can't just swap the gauge out. Here's your oil. You got these four, get back a little bit, I'm not much on doing this. The four prongs, you go down in the hole there, and you get them little clips. So it's not like you can just pull out a gauge and stick another one in there. It's got to be specific. My plan is the metal fab shop that I use, I can have 1/8 inch quarter piece of aluminum cut to this shape, and I can do like the old Peterbilt style or Kenworth. It's got the little clamp, pop the gauge in, clamp it, hook it up. This is weird, but I guess that's how they did it back then. That's GM for you. So in case you were wondering, there you go. Four prongs, snaps in down there, and that's how you get your contacts. I'm going to do away with these. I don't know if anybody's interested in some gauges. Shoot me a message.